Check. So last week I was binge watching that drama for 6 hours straight.
Say what?
Say what? All I did was going back to kitchen bed. When I got hungry, I grabbed something quick. And then this week I was at a bar and I saw this spaghetti pretzel.
Spaghetti pretzel? What?
Yeah. And I thought this would be perfect for me the next time I watch a Netflix drama or something.
Trying to stay cozy with you. Cozy with you. Don't know what I'm gonna do when you.
Today's only ingredient is spaghetti. Pulled out a small amount. This is about the width of my thumb. If I give you an exact measure, this looks like around 49. Lay them out flat. I roll back and forth and then give it a firm chop. Only in future neighbor will you see Koreans chopping spaghetti. Okie doke? Just make sure it fits in the frying pan like this. Just put some olive oil or regular oil, enough to cover the bottom of the frying pan. Put it on a medium heat. Here we go. Drop a small piece of spaghetti and see if it dances, okay? You see it dancing like that? We're gonna lower the heat to a low. Add in all the spaghetti. Mix it around so all the edges get evenly cooked. Oh my gosh, it's amazing how fast it's turning. Do this for about 10 to 20 seconds. Wow, this is pretty cool. Once it's this color, we're gonna take them out. Look at the color. It looks like a churro. Just get 1 dining spoon of sugar. Sprinkle on top evenly. 1 more spoon. Just a 1/3 spoon of salt. That way we get sweet and salty. Coat these guys evenly. Okay, you don't want to leave anything behind. Kind of my version of pepero. Do you know the Korean pepero? Ta-da! There it is, guys. Take a look at the coating. This is amazing. It's just like pretzel. You just keep going for it.
Can I get one? Should I come in from the right and maybe from the left? Maybe from the top? Hey.
This is amazing.
Hey, seriously, let me taste one.
Can you actually imagine that this came out of, where is that?
Spaghetti?
That's spaghetti. Yeah, it was so simple. It took us like 10 minutes to cook this.
Oh my god, you're really not gonna...
I think like for me, this is also a kind of a perfect snack to bring to work.
Wow. Pretty good.